Hello, everybody. Very good afternoon. As you know me already, this is Dr. Ruben Singh, the founder and director of WabsTalk. The weather is pretty nice today, and here with me, I have a nice lady here. She has specially come from Rajasthan to take soft skills training from WabsTalk. So I have a few questions to ask her, and I'm expecting your answers. So my question to you is, what made you join WabsTalk?
Uh, Actually, earlier I used to be underconfident while speaking in English. So whenever somebody asked me any question in English or somebody start any conversation in English, I switched to Hindi despite knowing the basic sentences or basic English. But I lacked that confidence to speak or to confidently speak with that other person. But now after joining the Wabs Talk, I feel like I have improved myself. Now if anybody asks me anything, now I can easily converse him within English.
I see. And what was your first experience when you came to WabsTalk, attended the session first? You met me, Dr. Ruben, for the very first time. What was your first experience?
Okay. So on my first day when I came here, usually what happen whenever somebody joins, he or she feel hesitate while participating or while getting up in first. But I saw that the people here are so welcoming and very friendly. And even you say you encouraged me to stand up, to speak, to
Educating
go and
something about
participate in the activity. And I never felt like that. It's my first day. I felt like I'm here for months, and I didn't even hesitate because the people are so welcoming and you are so encouraging that I didn't even feel that it was my first day. I just gathered that confidence and start participating in the activities.
All right, that's amazing. She has been here for barely a month, and as you can see, that she is sounding almost fluent. And she has spent, I believe, 4 hours, 5 hours every day taking trainings. Let's listen to her from her own words how she has felt.
Okay, so I think that now I have improved a lot. I want to share one experience which I recently felt. So I last before 3 4 days I went to this career counseling. So earlier whenever I talk to other person or somebody on a call, any delivery guy or any something, any customer office, and whenever they are talking in English now, sir, I feel that I automatically switch Hindi because I fear that maybe I might do some grammatical mistakes and that other person will judge me. But what I noticed after these classes is that when I went to that career counseling, that person, despite he was also fluent in English, so he was talking to me in Hindi, but I never switched to Hindi. I was continuously talking to him in English, and even he felt that I am an intelligent student because I was so confident in speaking in English. And that person, even he said, "You are intelligent. You don't need classes and all." But I feel like it gave a good first impression, and now I am confident that even if somebody asks me, even if somebody start a conversation, and even if I have to face a public or a larger crowd, I can easily go that I can easily feel that. And now even I before I used to think before speaking. I used to make that sentence in Hindi and then convert it in English and then speak. But now even if somebody asks me to just go and give a speech, then I can easily do that.
I see, I see. That is splendid. So at personal front, you have seen a lot of help and you have seen a lot of improvement. So what do you think about the sessions here? What did you exactly learn here? And how do you think at professional front it is going to be helpful for you?
Okay, so from here, I have not only learned grammar, I've improved my grammar first of all, but I think in terms of speaking, I've learned all these presentation skills with that group activity, all the group discussion activities. I learned how to make arguments, how to make proper arguments, reasonable arguments. I learned the interview skills also. We had that interview session and it was so good. Near interview, I can easily answer all the questions which we discussed in those classes. And my most favorite one was the presidential debate because it gives you that on the spot thinking. You can make the arguments on the spot despite taking time to make those arguments. So I think that was the most favorite thing. And now if when I go to my college, when my college starts, then now I can easily participate in all those group presentation and presentations, solo presentation and debates competition and public speaking competition. So I think with all those activities it really helped me a lot. And now even in my college, whenever I will come across those activities, I think I'll perform very well.
Okay. So she's studying law, right?
Yes.
You're done with your BLLB?
No, I'm in my 4th year.
You're in your fourth year. Okay. Do you think these trainings will help you become a better lawyer?
Of course, sir. As I already said, that these training help me argue more, build a more precise or reasonable arguments. So definitely, in my field, the main skill is that you need to make good arguments, right? So I think that skills I have developed here, and it would definitely help me in my future.
All right. It's been wonderful talking to you and wonderful having you here.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you felt the same.
Yes.
I'm certain you felt the same given the way you answered. All right. So please do watch this video and consider joining WabsTalk. Thank you so much and all the very best for your future
Thank you,
endeavors.
sir.